Welcome back to Car Reviews, where performance meets passion. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue Esteso by Novitec, a machine that takes Ferrari's first ever four-door masterpiece and pushes it to an entirely new level of aggression, exclusivity, and raw power. Right from the first glance, the Purosangue Esteso makes a bold statement. Novitec has completely transformed the exterior with a wide-body kit that adds muscular fender flares, giving the SUV a much more dominant and planted stance. The carbon fiber elements are not just for show, they enhance aerodynamics while reducing weight. You'll notice the redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes, a sculpted hood, and a more aggressive rear diffuser that perfectly complements the quad exhaust system. And those wheels? Absolutely massive. Novitec equips the Esteso with custom forged wheels, typically ranging up to 23 inches in the front and 24 inches in the rear. Wrapped in high-performance tires, they not only look stunning but also improve grip and handling, making this SUV feel more like a supercar on stilts. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, already a masterpiece from Ferrari, gets a performance boost from Novitec's tuning expertise. With upgraded exhaust systems and refined engine mapping, the Esteso delivers even more horsepower and a sharper throttle response. The sound? Absolutely intoxicating. That signature V12 roar is amplified, creating a symphony that car enthusiasts will instantly fall in love with. Despite its size, the Purosangue Esteso remains incredibly agile. Novitec fine-tunes the suspension system, lowering the ride height slightly and improving overall stability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing through winding roads, this SUV handles with confidence and precision that defies its category. Step inside, and the luxury continues. While Ferrari's original interior is already premium, Novitec offers customization options that take it even further. From high-quality leather to Alcantara finishes and unique color combinations, every detail can be tailored to match the owner's personality. It's not just an SUV, it's a personal statement. What makes the Purosangue Esteso truly special is its balance. It blends extreme performance with everyday usability, something that's rare in the supercar world. You get 4 doors, spacious seating, and practicality, without sacrificing the soul of a Ferrari. Of course, exclusivity is part of the package. Novitec models are produced in limited numbers, making each Esteso a rare sight on the road. It's designed for those who want to stand out, who demand more than just luxury or speed, they want both, in one unforgettable package. So, is the Ferrari Purosangue Esteso by Novitec the ultimate performance SUV of 2026? It just might be. It's bold, powerful, luxurious, and unapologetically unique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Car Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.